Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well through this COVID-19 quarantine. It's kind of a bummer that I have to make this announcement via message. I wish I could do it face to face and talk to each and every one of you. But the situation of the world doesn't allow that. Just want to give you guys a life update. My wife and I will be moving to Bonita Springs, Florida to teach at Bonita Springs High School at the end of the 2019-2020 school year. This was a decision that was not made lightly. And we took a lot of time and consideration making it because we've built so many great relationships and watched so many of you grow as students and as people. And it was very exciting for me to be a part of. I will always treasure the 2 years I spent as your head football coach and teacher. They were some of the best years of my life and my professional career. I learned so much and I grew so much thanks to the effort you players put in and the commitment you made to me. One thing that I'm confident of is that whoever is the next coach will do great things because we have great assistant coaches and we have a great leadership group. I hope the work we've done with our book study in the off season, I hope the work we've done in growing as a family continues, and I know it will. Whoever is the leader, I know your assistant coaches have been working to make it seamless for whoever is the next football coach at Boone. To all of you, I just want you to know you will always be my first football team. You will always be the first time I had the opportunity to be a head football coach. And I want you to know I learned way more from you than you learned from me. To my students, you guys were the reason I got out of bed every day. And I hope that throughout your life, if you ever need anything, you reach out to me and let me know what's going on. If you have any questions, if you want to know something, please feel free to email me. I am continuing teaching through the end of the school year. But I just wanted to let you guys know from me so you didn't have to hear it from other people. So guys, for one last time, I love you, I care about you, and I know whatever you set your mind to, you will be able to do. God bless and roll doors.